I can use Spark to create my calendar and meeting availability and send out surveys. When I'm logged in, I click my name or my profile photo to access the drop down menu. Then I click the green button titled My Calendar and Meeting Scheduler. Here, I can see the meetings I've created based on the type of engagement. I can edit any meeting by clicking the gear symbol in the top right corner of each card and click Edit. If I click the Schedule Meetings tab, I can see what meetings I have upcoming. And I can click the Past button to see what meetings have already occurred. I can click My Calendar to see my calendar. I can click Calendar Connections to add my Google Calendar or Outlook calendar to my Spark calendar. Now I'll walk you through how to create a meeting. I click the blue colored button titled Create New Meeting. The first question is, will I charge someone for this engagement? I decide to click Payment Required. I enter the amount of $50. This means that an individual would have to pay $50 upfront to schedule this meeting. The person can request a refund, and I will not receive any payment unless I render services, follow up, and participate in this engagement. I give the meeting a title. Add the meeting option of a phone to request the recipient to provide their contact information. I also provide the option of a virtual meeting and request that the recipient provide the virtual link. I can add a description to decide to ignore this question. I can edit the URL link to schedule this meeting. I click Next. Now I add the time duration. I can add a custom time link, but I decide to select 45 minutes. I can provide my meeting availability, 4 days in the future, indefinitely, or within a date range. I decide indefinitely because I can always change the schedule. My availability will be Thursdays, Fridays, and Mondays anytime from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. I scroll down and decide if I want to allow more than one person to schedule a meeting on the same date and time. I can decide if I want to send a feedback request notification to the recipient that will arrive to the recipient 1 minute after the end time of our meeting. Also, I can notify other people when someone schedules a meeting with me by adding their email. I click Create, and now the meeting appears on my dashboard.